I just came out here. Oh, well, he turned down the super loud noise when he got to the intersection, so clearly he just turned it up super volume for the residents. He started this at 10:10 a.m. It's now after 11:20. The city of Folsom has trucks for cleaning up leaves, and there he is once again, turned off unattended tractor, blocking a too narrow lane exit, our sole entry and exit. Look at him, look at him. Look at that, he's got the entire intersection blocked. He's telling that driver that what he said here, that he owns this property in this single family subdivision, planned unit development. Oh, I gotta see if I can get some of what he's saying. He's got the whole damn entry exit blocked. Oh my God, look at that. He's complaining to the neighbor with the crematorium sign. Can you see it?